This is the box we've been waiting for. This is finally it. Fuck you, FedEx, for making it show up 3 days late. So let's get it unboxed so I can show you what it is.
Whoa. She keep hitting my phone, but she know I'm on the go, yeah. Please watch your step, cause I got money on the floor, yeah. I'm just tryna chill, but falling to my soul, yeah. And I keep it real, I just want to go, yeah.
You see that? You see that right there? This is what I've been waiting for. One of the best looking and sounding JDM parts you could have. Kitty, can you get out of the way, bro? People are trying to see the exhaust here, buddy. Boom. Look at that thing. Beautiful. Let's put this thing slapped in the car. See how it really sounds. The STi one looks purple inside the house, but it's probably from my big ass heads in the shadow. But it is pink in person. It's cherry blossom red. You know the color. But it looks purple on camera for some reason.
We are not the same. We are not the same. I just get the check. Frostbite on my neck. I just do the most. Pulled off in the ghost. She keep hitting my phone, but she
Woo. One exhaust off, one more to put on. So for some reason this hanger is way the fuck off. Do I need it? Probably not. So am I gonna worry about it? Probably not. I have to like bend this shit hella backwards. Oh my camera, I'm talking to my camera right now, watch. Okay, battery's almost dead, but look. This hanger does not line up with this hanger whatsoever, and I have no idea why. Those two bolt right up, and these two bolt right up, so I don't know what the hell's going on. Okay, here's a scoop. I got the exhaust to fit well, right? Well as it should. I was looking into other people had fitment, like, not issues, but I guess like a way they fitted it, because it's this exhaust, the Genome does not want to line up with the back hanger. Apparently a lot of people don't use that back hanger from what I saw. Alright, from what I saw. So I made it fit, but I have an exhaust leak somewhere. I had the exhaust leak. I replaced the, what's it called? Gasket. I replaced the gasket. I'm still having a slight leak. So now we are going to operation. Make this bitch stop leaking. Whoop. We're going to use this exhaust. I can't speak. We're going to use the exhaust sealant on it. Set it for 30 minutes. Well, we're going to put it on there. Clamp it up. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Start the car for 10 minutes. And then we will finally get the thing we've been waiting for. Sound clips. Sounds pretty good. Okay, it's pretty quiet on the inside, but it sounds pretty good. Oh look, we have a straight fitting exhaust. Let me show you how I fix that. You see that hanger? I just bent it down, and now it sits perfect the way I want it. Oof, look at that. STi Genome, so sexy. Exhaust clips. Look, I finally put my badge of ownership on. If you don't know what these are, Subaru actually gives these away for free. I'll leave a link down below if I do not forget. But I came out here to the secrets. Well, it's not really a secret spot, but I come out here to get exhaust clips. I got something very special for the STi. You ready to see it? Ooh, the OG JDM badge for the front grille. Something I really wanted, and I finally found one, so I ordered it. And now here we are, about to throw this puppy on the front. Like, I damaged this shit in the process, but it's all good. We're not gonna use this anymore. If I ever replace this emblem, the pink one, for some reason, I'll buy a brand new blue one. It'll be fresh. But this is what we're here for, baby! JDM pink. I need to clean this shit off with alcohol and a towel, and we'll be set. And just like that, we have come to the end of another video. Look at my other microphone that we're not even using. So, video's over, obviously. We got the STi Genome axle back finally to fit. I've seen other people with US cars having fitment issues, so I was like, it's not a big deal. You know, I got that exhaust for a real good price, and can't let that thing go, baby. Cannot let that thing go. I have one person asked me to sell it already. I'm like, nope, I can't sell it. I've been looking for that exhaust for a long time. Finally found one for a good price. Got that. We got the JDM pink STi badge on. You know, if you're paying close attention, you would have seen it in the exhaust clip when the car was coming back. I just put that clip last because I feel like it didn't flow with the exhaust part well, you know. And I did have actual footage of it, but check it out. Let me show you guys. When I was editing it, it wasn't focused. So it's like it's all blurry and you can't even see it. So that was my bad right there. I should have probably checked if the camera was focused before, you know, continuing to record. But well, I'll show up for sure next video. Well, whenever I do more STi stuff on my STi, because we might be utilizing Sway's STi in the next video. I'm not even too sure yet what it's gonna be about. But you know, I'm always up to something, baby. I'm always up to something. I'm always recording, but I've been kind of slacking lately, I'm not gonna lie. And I was also talking to Adriel about some potential wrap colors, because we might be redoing the STi again before SubiFest, which is in October. So hopefully, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have another wrap color before SubiFest, because I will be going to SubiFest. It's about 4.5 hours away from me, so if you're gonna be there, I'll be there too. Well shit, that's all I got for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and sub and all that good shit. Right, kitty? I'm like kitty back there. Right, kitty? Kitty said y'all gotta like and sub, so make sure you like and sub. Do not disappoint kitty cat. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye!